And I'd like you to close your eyes and set the intention that you're going to relax. And I want you to let go of any tension you feel in your neck. Say the word mentally to yourself, relax. Send that word to your neck. Tell it to relax. Relax. Next, tell your shoulders to relax and let them drop. Just let go of the tension. And relax, relax. Next, bring your attention to your arms and let them just drop at your side. Be sure your arms are uncrossed. Just let them relax. Let go of any tightness, tension. Just let it go. Say relax to your arms and your hands. Unclench your hands if you were clenching. Next, go into your chest area and let it relax. Relax. Open your heart. Relax. Bring your awareness now to your stomach area. And again, say the word relax. Relax. And feel your stomach just easing up. Yeah, let your abdomen rise and fall easily, effortlessly. Now bring your awareness to your thighs. Relax your thighs. Relax your knees. Relax your legs. And when you get to your ankles, maybe rotate them a little bit to relax and unkink your ankles. Yeah, well, that's good. Relax. Relax. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Just relax even deeper. Once again, letting go of any stress, tension, any worries, any cares. Just let them fall away. And imagine, see, or feel above you, about 6 inches above you, maybe 12. I'll let it be up to you. Imagine a beautiful golden sun. This radiant golden sun. Imagine this beautiful golden sun is beaming down its energy, pouring down over your head. Let this light pour over you through your aura like golden honey. Feel the warmth of that golden honey light as it pours through your energy field, pours over your body, clearing away any energies that don't belong to you, any worries, any cares, any fear. Just let it all go. Feel how wonderful it feels to just bask in this golden light, be bathed by the sun's energy. And imagine this energy is love. The light is love. Love is light. So feel into the love that is all around you. The love that created you, the love that you can never cease to be. And let this light, let this love open your heart even wider and let it relax you even more. Take a breath in and breathe in that light through your lungs and let that light fill you up inside with every breath that you take. Breathe in light. And you exhale energies that no longer serve you. So feel the love that you're bathing in, that's all around you, that's beaming to you and from you. For now, you're going to send your love to the spirit world, to those that you love there. Whether that's a family member, partner, spouse, a friend, or another relative. Just send your love using your imagination, which is the passageway to the afterlife. Send your love up to them. And as you do, see, feel, or imagine that love being returned to you now, amplified, because what you put out is what you get back. When you broadcast love, you receive love in return. And now in this state of deep relaxation, asking in unconditional love, I'd like you to just open your mind and your heart to connecting with someone on the other side. It doesn't have to be a loved one. It could be a guide. It could be anyone that's non-physical. But set the intention to connect with them. And see if you can feel yourself or imagine yourself in this passageway, maybe standing on the threshold of a doorway into the afterlife. Whatever imagery comes to you, go with it. Maybe you just know you're there on the threshold of the spirit world. Feel the love that is there, the peace that is there, the joy that's there. Take that in. Absorb this experience. Know that it is real. And whenever you're ready, make the decision, if you want to step into the afterlife, into this world. Or you can just remain in the passageway. You have the right and the free will choice to do whatever you choose to do. You can take your time. There's no rush in any of this, for you have eternity. So whenever and if ever you're ready, just connect, go through the veil and be with your loved one in whatever place you choose to be. Maybe it's in a place that's special for the two of you. Maybe it's on a mountaintop. Maybe it's in a park. Maybe it's by a river. Maybe it's by the ocean. Maybe it's in a beautiful garden of your own creation. You can imagine whatever you want to imagine, knowing that your loved one will meet you there. Trust this completely, Know that it is real. Let your imagination just create whatever feels good, right, and true to you. It doesn't matter what you see in your mind. All that matters is that it feels good to you. So follow your joy, follow your bliss. Know that when you do, you are being true to yourself, to the real you, to the authentic you. And doing that leads you right to your loved one on the other side. So just experience whatever you experience. And don't be afraid to ask questions. For this experience is co-created, it's interactive, it is not one-sided. Take you back. I just want you to come back slowly. Take your time and know that you can revisit this video again and again. When you make contact, I would suggest that you just close your computer, take off your headphones or whatever if you're listening that way, and just be in the experience. Because you don't have to come back like I'm bringing you back now. You can just be in that state for as long as you like. Okay? And if you struggled with this, that's okay. Just come back and do it again. Because our promise to you is every time you watch any of our videos, Ellen and I both support you and help you to hold the space for you and your loved ones on the other side to make contact. That's the work that we're here to do. Right? So it's all right wherever you're at. It's perfect. Okay, you can always go deeper next time You will, because you're always changing. You can't help but change. Again, bring yourself back just slowly. Breathe in, breathe out, and ground yourself using the power of your intention. Just ground yourself to the earth. See roots going down to the base of your spine. Really anchor yourself to Mother Earth. Give gratitude to the earth. Give gratitude to your loved ones and your spirit team.